Hey y'all, good evening, good evening. It is nighttime, as you can see. I have my PJs on. I did my skincare routine, the hair is down. So yes, I had to make this video because I got plant mail, y'all. So welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Black Lotus Glow, and my name is Tanya. And I love all things plants and house plants, outdoor plants, indoor plants, gardening, skincare. I am a licensed esthetician, corporate day job. I do all the things, So my channel is a collection of everything, which mostly you'll see most of this. But anywho, I was getting ready for bed, doing my nighttime routine, and then my husband came and was like, "Hey, you got a package on the porch." I said, "Oh, I was expecting it the following day, so it got here a little early." So let's go ahead and open what we have. So the package that so this package is from, these two plants are from the Green Escape. I follow them online. They have an Etsy store, and they had a couple of things on there that I wanted to get. So let's see what it is together. I literally had to look and see what all was I expecting. So, packaged very well. So I will say that it's packaged very well off top. Let me get closer, y'all. I always forget to turn it on. But anyhow, so packaged very well. I do like that. Again, this is a reputable plant seller. Alright, as you can see, like I said, packaged very well. I love that. So I ordered two plants, two starter. One is a starter and one is a 4-inch plant. Thank you for your order. Happy planting. Okay. And in the starter with them, they have a their rule is if you're going to order a starter, you have to do 2 plants. So that's what I did for that. All right. Like I said, very well packaged. Let's see. This one is I was ready to go rub my feet together when he said that. And the reason why I filmed right away is because I didn't want them to continue staying in the box for God knows how long, because I have a busy day tomorrow at work, day job, and I didn't know when I was going to be able to get to it. So, again, y'all, packaged very well. Appreciate that. Trying to be mindful of the soil. Have you guys ever, anybody in the community, because they're very popular, plant seller, have you guys ordered from the Green Escape? Okay. Try not to make a mess because I just showered. Okay, there we go. Not bad, not bad. Okay, y'all, this is the Syngonium Red Arrow. I love Syngoniums. Easy plant to take care of, low maintenance, fast grower. And let me just bring this fast grower. And this is it's in a 4-inch pot, but oh wow. Is this not cute? It is beautiful. And I'm gonna let it trail. The pictures that I've seen of this as a mature plant sold it for me. It's dry. I gotta get you in some water and some chunky soil mix ASAP. That might be my next video then. Yeah, I gotta pot it. So it's beautiful, isn't it? I love the leaves, the red leaves on the bottom, on the back side. Very pretty plant. Inexpensive to me. I say inexpensive and I don't have the invoice here, I think. Oh. Okay, here we go. Okay, y'all. I don't have the price on here for the I'm not sure. Maybe $20, maybe 15. I don't know. I forgot. I have to look back. But to me, it was inexpensive, and this is what I wanted to add to my collection. The red arrow. Again, when it matures, oh my god, and it just kind of trails out of a basket, I was sold. And it has some good root systems already. It's already looking like it's going to outgrow its pot soon. So, okay. I am happy with this purchase. So I'm gonna put her here. I don't know the name yet, the gender yet. Okay. This is the next one. This is, gosh, that handwriting, child. This is an Anthurium. Warrical Queen. Trying to be delicate because they are starter plants. So I didn't want to be too rough with this sticker. Okay. Now keep in mind, these are starter plants of, right? So they're not going to be big. I'm trying to say this leaf that is, I hate when this happens, y'all. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's two of them together. I have to be super careful with Audi Lots of Leaf with the way it was taped up. Okay. All right. It was packaged pretty well. Okay, so Anthurium War Queen is what I'm about to call her. Okay. Jeez. Louise. I'm trying to see, it says it's two, right? It's two starter plants. But it looked like, I'm trying to see the second one, to be quite honest with you. Because the second starter one is super, super tiny. Alright. This is my first time buying. No, because I remember buying two starters, two Philodendron Princess, White Princess, a couple of years ago. I don't know if you see it. One is up there, and then the other little one is over here. And I don't recall them being this tiny, but okay. It is what it is, sure. This is, okay. Sometimes I ask myself, is it just better to buy the mature plant? You know, go ahead and spend the money on the mature plant versus buying a starter? What do you guys think? I think I would, I don't know if I would buy another starter of this particular plant. I think I would just go ahead and buy a mature plant and call it a day, to be quite honest with you. But I am excited to see the process of this growing. I'm gonna put it in soil, put it in a little, I'm gonna put it in flugel and stratum and see how it fares, and see if it's truly two here, if it's just one that's viable. The other one looks viable, it's just super tiny. That's all I'm saying. I see some roots right here, which looks good. I don't know if you see it. Yeah, so okay. All right, so that was my my unboxing, my plant haul. I do have a couple more plants coming in the mail. They're starter plants. So now that I see this, I don't know, and they are, some of them are corms, so that I'm not too worried about too much. But we're gonna make it work. We are going to make it work. So this is the Anthurium War Queen. I know it's gonna look amazing once it grows, and I know once I put it in the stratum and perlite mixture and put it in the greenhouse, it's gonna flourish. Both of them will flourish. So we'll see. All right, guys. So that is the unboxing. That is all for the unboxing. I will go ahead and get those in some better soil mix, and then also a stratum. I'm trying to think if I'm going to have I'm going to do semi-hydro with the Anthurium. I gotta think about it. All right, guys, this is not going to be a super long video. Again, it's nighttime, and I was not expecting, I thought I was going to unbox and do the whole, you know, the whole potting and whatnot, but it is, it's nighttime, it's bedtime, like, it's been a long day. So, and my thing keeps, yeah, I bought this, I'm trying this, this retinol eye patch. I'm not impressed. I will go back to the ones that I usually use from the suite, from that I usually use. Because it keeps sliding down. I don't know if you see it, but it's a retinol. It's supposed to be retinol eye patch. On the eye patch, I don't know. Because I had the other mask that I'm going to put on. It's a full mask, so I just wanted to do these two first while I was filming. Because I'm not fully done with my routine, but yeah. All right, guys, so that was the unboxing. Thank you for watching this video. If you like content like this, please consider subscribing, liking, sharing. I'm trying to grow this channel, and just, you know, share a little bit of a little piece of my world with you. All right, and so that would mean a lot to me if you guys would just, you know, subscribe and share. And then also in the comments, let me know, do you order plants online? Have you ever ordered from the Green Escape? What was your experience? My first experience with them, and I'm actually impressed. I love the Syngonium Red Arrow. It came in perfectly packaged and in good health. Not overly dry to where I feel like I have to do anything to it right now. And then the War Queen, you know, it's a starter plant, so what do you expect, right? But it didn't come dead. So a lot of people, I've heard a lot of people say their plants come to them dead when they order online. But so far, great experience with the Green Escape. I will order from them again. I don't know if I will order starter plants. Let me see how this one goes, how they how they do in the stratum. But that's it for me today, guys. And remember, I hope you find something to be happy about, to be joyful about. Cultivate your life and how you want it to look. It's up to you. And find something that sparks joy. Find a hobby in this day and age, and the time that we're in right now. Just find a hobby to lose yourself in and to escape from the real world. Not escape, but to kind of put a pause on the real life stuff and just enjoy. Create your own Garden of Eden if you're into that. Outside, inside, it doesn't matter. Just find something to enjoy. All right. Until next time, guys. Remember, let's grow and glow together. All right. Toodles. I know you're gonna flourish. There's soil in it though, I'll tell you that.